Have you ever seen a painting painted on a spinner? Well, in this episode, not only are you going to see one, but you're going to see two. And not on a regular spinner, but a motorized spinner.
Oh my God. So if you've been watching people like Callen Schaub and others who like Simon Bull, who like to spin their art out and didn't know how to create them, this episode is for you. I'm Lee Massey.
I'm Jeremy Massey.
And this is
Masse Art Studios.
Jeremy, why don't you get to the table?
I will.
Yeah, you like that?
Hey guys, it's Jeremy here, and I am so excited about today's pour because I'm doing something that I have been inspired by an artist. He's inspired me with his colors, with his technique, and he's just a really cool guy. His name is Callen Schaub, and if you haven't seen his work, please go and find him on social media. I will stick a link to his, I think it's YouTube or Instagram, in the description box. But we were given a motorized spinner by the paintpourstore.com. These guys gave us this to use on the channel, and I didn't know when I could use it or how I could use it, and I finally have a setup that is amazing, and I'm gonna use that today, and you guys are gonna see that. And I am using this dustpan right here to go ahead and spin out on the canvas. And I'm also going to be using maybe this little guy right here also. So I have to make up my mind on that. But to get that motorized spinner, it's at paintpourstore.com. They're awesome. I am using a 16 by 16, 1.5 inch deep canvas. And let me show you how the Paint Pour Store guys, they have put a magnet on the bottom of the spinner. And so it attaches just by like clicking into place on the motorized spinner. Now they actually have the regular spinners too that have these attachments, and you just screw it right onto the canvas and it's not going anywhere, you guys. It is like a done deal. So I will put this back right here, get this on my spinner. There we go, clicked into place. Let me go ahead and introduce my colors, you guys. Which I am also very excited about. I have this cobalt violet hue, which is unbelievably delicious. I love this color. And I, of course, have the turquoise phthalo, which is incredible. I have the light rose from Amsterdam, and this is such a pretty color, you guys. And as you can see, you know what? Do not throw away your little paint containers here because there's so much paint left in them whenever you think you've gotten it all out. Cut that bad boy open and scoop out the rest of that paint. There's a lot of paint left in these. Also, I'm using a turquoise green light. It is beautiful. And I'm also using this metallic black. This is so cool. It is so cool. I've been wanting to use that for a while now. And then I have this Pebeo iridescent orange, I think it's called. You can find that at fluid-art.co. Those guys have the Pebeo stuff, along with all kinds of other stuff like these silicone mats. Anyway, so without further ado, let's get to, I'm going to be flooding my canvas, and then we're gonna go from there. All right, see you at the table. Okay guys, before I start pouring everything out on here, I wanted to show you like this spinner. Look how cool this little thing is. And you just turn it, and as you turn it up, this thing starts to spin, and this bad boy spins. I'm only on 4 right now, and look how fast that's going. Like, oh my God, it's crazy. Look at that. That is so freaking crazy. And then you just turn it down, and it stops. And then let me show you also real quick look how this thing is. It's like that right there magnetizes to that, and it's just so cool. It's like, it just clicks. Wait, there it goes. It's all clicked into space. All right guys, so let's get to layering this dustpan right now. Okay guys, before I spin this out, I'm gonna throw some paint on the canvas. So let's start spinning. Oh my gosh, let's tilt spin this bad boy out. Look at that. Oh my God, so crazy. That is so cool. All right, and then let's throw in let's do some pink. And then let's do some of this concoction I made up. And then maybe throw a little bit of purple. And maybe go like this with the black. All right. I am loving it. I think that's cool, you guys. And I think I need to torch it off real quick. Okay, you guys, here goes the moment of truth. I got my dustpan here and I am going to start doing this. Okay, I'm kind of liking that, but why don't we add a little bit more? Okay, I'm actually kind of digging it. I like it. I tell you what, I'm gonna layer some more paint in this dustpan. Let's do another one. All right, guys, let's do this. Okay, I'm starting the spinner here, which is so exciting. I'm gonna do just kind of a little bit of a slow thing and just kind of pour some paint on it. Oh, this is so cool. And then I'm going to do the same with a little bit of this cobalt. And then I'm going to go in with a little bit of this iridescent orange. Just throw that on there here in a couple of spots. There we go. All right. Now I'm going to crank this bad boy up. my God, this is so, I am in heaven with this, you guys. In heaven, like in heaven with this. Right. Now, I'm gonna just do like this right here, just to get that center covered. All right, so what I'm seeing here is kind of, well, you know what? It's not gonna matter because whenever I start this turning and I do my dustpan on it, it's gonna be awesome, I think. All right, so let's get to layering the dustpan. All right, you guys, I had to get up on a step stool to do this. So I'm really curious about what's gonna happen with this. So I'm gonna start spinning it. Okay, I have a little bit of paint left, so I'm gonna do a little bit more. Oh my gosh, I think that is so different than anything that I've ever done. I think it's really cool. I love that metallic black in there. That orange got kind of copper right here. It's so crazy. I'm really loving this. I hope you guys like it too. It's so crazy. This spinner is amazing. Yeah, I am gonna be doing these a lot, you guys. I'm gonna get a bigger little pool thingy, whatever you want to call it, so that way I don't spin paint all over the world. And yeah, that's good. That's it. That is me done, you guys. I hope you like it. So, there you have it.
There you have it.
Spinning craziness.
So, I wasn't here for this.
No, you weren't.
And I haven't seen the video.
No,
so I don't really know how you did these at this point.
That's right, he was out of town on work for that one.
I was. We'll be watching this together at 7 o'clock. And if you're here in the premiere in the chat with us, hello everyone. Jeremy, so which one of these did you spin out first? Can you remember?
I think this one was my first one, I believe.
I think
Yes.
I feel, for me, out of the two, I like this one the most. For some reason. I don't know what it is because they're both awesome and they're real similar. But I think I just like the colours in that one better.
Oh yeah?
And then this was your second one,
yes,
maybe, that you spun out. There's something in here, Jeremy. There's something that I really enjoy. I love, this has still got the backing on it for the motorized spinner with magnets so that it didn't go spinning off. Tell me a little bit about these paintings. Like, tell me about your process. Like, did you enjoy it? Would you do it again? Like, what's going on?
I'm definitely going to do it again.
Right.
In fact, I got this at Walgreens for $6, 70% off summer stuff, you guys. It's a giant pool. It's like 6.5 feet in circumference.
Right.
Big giant circumference.
Circumference.
That's what I said. That's what I said. I said that.
Circumference.
English, English.
That's like microwave.
So anyway, so I got this giant pool that I'm going to be doing much bigger pieces on.
I'm excited.
But yeah, the spinner by paintpourstore.com.
Right.
It's motorized and it just like, I mean, it goes crazy.
Right.
I mean, you can still get kind of the same effect, but
on one that you spin by hand.
On one that you spin by hand. But with this one, it has like the oh, not that one.
Yep.
It has the holder on the back that just magnetically places on it, so it
doesn't go
holds
flying
it. It doesn't go flying.
Right.
But anyway,
I don't even know how you layered these paints. I don't know how you poured these paints, but clearly we will have all just watched this episode
Yes.
now. But I'm in my head, I'm kind of thinking about how you did it. One thing I know that we talked about was the edges, because basically you're spinning this out, you don't get the edges covered like you would do in a normal.
Yes.
I don't like that.
I do.
I know, funny. Like, I feel like it feels unfinished. So I would take one of the colours from the top and paint these edges all one solid colour, I feel.
See, and for me, I feel like that's the painting. That's how it came out. That's how it should be.
It just looks unfinished. It kind of looks really
I think
crafty.
It's actually finished.
So let us know what you think in the comments. Let us know what you think. Let us know what you think in the comments.
Yeah.
And if you're here, like, should we take the time to paint, for example, this one like a solid turquoise around the edges, or a solid black to like hide those drips, or would you expect to see those drips? I'd like to hear what everyone else thinks.
I like the drips.
I know you do. Maybe we'll do one drips and one without. And
Yes.
speaking of drips.
Oh my God, Texas, you guys, Texas.
It's raining and like 75 degrees here today.
I think I've lost about 50 pounds.
So I hope you really enjoyed this episode, because I'm going to watch it with you and I'm going to love it. I know, because I'm excited and I want to have a go. You've inspired me to like try this, because
that means a lot.
I really, really want to have a go at this.
Well, Callen Schaub is the one who inspired me.
Absolutely.
I can't say enough good things about that man.
And he just did his retreat with Billy over in Spokane,
Yes.
and I know there's going to be another one next year. Sarah
Yeah.
Taylor was TA, so I'm sure they all had a fantastic time.
Yeah, his color, yes, that's what inspired these paintings.
Well, I love it. I love it. I love it. Let us know what you think in the comments. Thank you for being here.
Yeah.
We're at like almost 47,000 subscribers, which is fantastic.
Unbelievable.
Considering we just did our 40,000 giveaway, we're going to wait another week or two to announce the winner, because there's still a lot more people watching that episode, and we want to have everyone given the opportunity to get in for that piece. Has been resined, as you know. It's around us somewhere. Next episode?
Yeah, next episode will be next Wednesday.
It will be on next Wednesday. Please come back and watch us for more. If you like the banter and if you just like some silly content, that's what we're all about.
That is.
So thank you for being here.
Yes.
And we're going to let Jeremy cool down.
Yes,
And
I'm
we'll
melting.
see you next week. Bye, everyone. Oh,
Bye.
thanks to the Patreons for being here with us
Yes.
too. We appreciate
Thank
you.
you so much.
Heather Murphy, Elaine Burton, Kathy Jensen.
Crafty Chicken Mom,
Crafty
Amy.
Chicken Mom. Yeah, there's a few of our team, not all of them, not everyone, and I'm not giving away too much information, but there's a few of the Patreons who still need some well wishes. So
Yes.
please put all that positive energy out there. We appreciate you for thinking of these people with us.
Yes.
And that's it. Let's let everyone get on with the day.
Enough waffle.
Enough waffle. Have a great Wednesday, everyone, and the rest of your week. We'll see you soon.
Bye, guys.
Bye.